Are you ready for winter? Is your roof ready for winter? I got to tell you, we've had the first significant snow event of the year in the last couple of days, and I've gotten a number of calls from building owners that are concerned about the snow load on the roof or leaks they're having in the building because of the heavy wet snow that's up there. The reality is that the best way to prepare for winter is to have a fall roof inspection done. That ship has sailed. However, now that winter's here, what can you do if you have a major snow event? A couple of things. You want to check and do a visual inspection and see how much snow is up there. Is it a heavy wet snow? Is it a light fluffy snow? Makes a difference. A lot of people don't know that snow, normal snow, typically weighs about 1.5 pounds per inch. So if you have a cubic foot up there, it's 20 pounds per square foot on the roof. If that gets rained on, the weight goes up quickly, so it's a concern that it'll exceed the load limit of your building because you don't want to have a structural collapse. Do that visual assessment. If in doubt, do what we call weights and measures. Take a volume of snow and determine how much that weighs and how much about your weight distribution is across the roof. You may need to get a structural engineer involved. If in doubt, if there's a sign of danger, close the building. If there's not, you still want to get that roof clear when the snow starts to melt. The first thing is get the roof drains cleared of snow so as the snow melts, it can get off the building. If a structural engineer recommends reducing the weight on the building, take off what we call windrows, straight runs of snow removed across the roof to reduce the total snow load. At the end of the day, get professional help. Stay safe out there. The best time to prepare was in the fall, but now that we're here, the best time is now. If any of this resonates with you, you'd like to talk about snow removal options or other roof repair issues, let me know. My contact information's in this post. And as always, don't forget to follow me at #RolfTheRoofingGuy at LinkedIn, YouTube, and Rumble. Make it a safe week.